Cinematic extreme close-up, a sharp machete slicing through a thick purple sugarcane stalk in slow motion. Sweet juice splatters slightly against the sun.
Sugar check. It's ready.
Hooking up the topper blade at the top of the machine, cutting off the green leafy tops of the cane, which fall back to the ground.
Internal cutaway. Inside the harvester, heavy blades chopping the long stalks into uniform 20-centimeter pieces called billets.
Slow motion. A powerful fan inside the machine blowing the light dry leaves out the back, while the heavy, juicy billets stay.
Close-up, the fiber leaving the last mill. It is now completely dry, pale yellow, and powdery. This is final bagasse, the juice from all the mills flowing together into a central gutter. It is a dark, muddy, opaque liquid mixed with dirt and fiber. Action shot. The bagasse dropping into the furnace chute. It catches fire instantly. This waste fuels the entire factory.
High-pressure steam pipes hissing. The burning bagasse creates steam to turn the turbines.
The screen catching tiny bits of bagasse fiber, or kush floating in the juice. The fiber is scraped off and returned to the mill.
Heating kills bacteria and helps separation.
Satisfying shot. A massive gush of dark greenish-brown raw sugarcane juice pouring out from under the rollers like a waterfall.
The squeezed fiber, now called bagasse, emerging from the back of the first mill. It is slightly drier, but still damp.
Action shot. Hot water being sprayed onto the bagasse as it moves to the next mill. This helps wash out the remaining sugar from the fiber.
Side view, the wet bagasse entering the second mill. It gets crushed again. more diluted juice squeezes out. Time lapse, the cane fiber moving through mill 3, then mill 4. At each step, it gets drier and lighter in color.
The flow rate is increasing rapidly.
Noted. Keep monitoring the temperature at the collection vat.
Macro shot, the texture of the damp sugar inside the mixer. It looks like heavy, wet snow. It sticks together when pressed.
Machine view, the damp sugar being fed into a rotary molding machine. It has thousands of tiny square holes.
Close-up action, heavy metal pistons pressing down into the holes with force. This compresses the loose sugar into solid square blocks.
Internal view. The cubes passing under glowing red infrared heating elements. The heat evaporates the water, making the cubes rock hard.
A heated metal bar pressing against the plastic tube to seal the back seam. Smoke rises slightly from the melting plastic.
Keep coming straight. All right, hold it right there. Okay, boys, let's get this unloaded.
Slow motion, the sugar pouring from the spoon into the hot tea. The crystals hit the surface and sink.
Time-lapse macro. The sugar cube sitting at the bottom of the glass, slowly breaking apart and dissolving into invisible sweetness.